Hello everyone, Rico here again, and working on the Z80 project with the latest update. Decided to add a ZIF socket for the EEPROM. Also wanted to add the full address bus to the project, and also a RAM chip. And there's the whole circuit as it stands today. I had to do quite a bit of steps to do all this stuff, and there is a snapshot of the first version, and here's it working. I added this power button right back here. Turns on, and there it is working. I added carriage return line feed, so it's a little neater. And also, from adding the RAM, I added load the stack pointer and call a test function, which is down here at the bottom of the code, which is just some no ops and a return. And the whole idea there was to verify it's actually functioning from the RAM chip. This line here is the second RAM enable chip line, and if I ground that, it does not work, which proves that the RAM is actually functioning. So anyhow, that was and one of the things I wanted to mention was in this thing, so much as one little wire moved will cause it to stop functioning. So in order to move the address bus, which used to be right in this area, up over to here, and add these big jumper wires, which I just got off of Amazon, and just move everything around. I actually also updated the clock here to go a little bit faster. I got it maxed out on the knob here right now, but I put a smaller cap in, thereby making the clock circuitry run a little bit faster. It's around 300 kilohertz right now. And but essentially what I do is I'd move like 3 wires, test it, move 3 wires, test it, and eventually got the whole address bus up here. And I cleared out a bunch of stuff here, one little step at a time, and then I was able to get the ZIF socket down in here. In hindsight, this is super important because that's a lot of the fun, is constantly reprogramming the chip. So I got this so you could pop it out of there, and got all these wires routed around so they're not in the way. And then the next thing was to be able to do calls and use the stack with pushes and pops. You have to have a RAM chip. So got the RAM in, and it's working. So gonna keep proceeding on. This thing's a lot of fun. Retro computing is cool. So Rico out.